Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to verify identity on Revolut. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that we have to do here is we first have to access our profile. So it's located at the top left corner of the application itself. And once you click on profile, you see the option that says account, and just click on it, and from there you'll see personal details. Now, once you've gone to personal details, you have the option that says verify your account, and just click on it. So there's a few things that you have to do here, and that actually requires a selfie on your side. So you need to capture a selfie by yourself, ensuring there are no other individuals in the shot. It should be real-time, a live image, and Revolut won't accept photographs of printed pictures or scanned copies. The photo should be taken in a well-lit setting with good clarity, ensuring your entire face is clearly visible. So this is required to ensure that you are who you are in this verification process. But yeah, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you need to provide a few documents. So there's a few tips that Revolut actually gives you here. So you need to capture a high quality image of your identity document, ensuring that all information is legible and free from blurriness. Disable the flash to prevent reflections on your documents. Verify that the information on your Revolut profile matches the information on your official document. Now choose the appropriate document, category, and paragraph both sides of it. So submit paragraphs of the original, current documents taken in real time. So Revolut do not accept images of printed photographs, duplicates, images from your photo gallery, or scanned copies. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.